Microsoft has unveiled the Surface Laptop Studio 2, an upgraded version of its predecessor with several notable improvements. While visually similar, it boasts an enhanced trackpad, upgraded internal specifications, and a new AI-focused neural processing unit, NPU, designed to enhance AI-powered experiences in Windows 11. The laptop maintains its distinctive fold-over design and runs on Intel's 13th Gen i7 H-class processors. It offers configurations with NVIDIA GPUs, including the RTX 4050 and 4060, 16 to 64 GB of RAM, and up to 2 TB of storage. The 14.4-inch touchscreen display with 2400 x 1600 pixel resolution now supports HDR, including Dolby Vision. Connectivity options have been expanded, featuring a USB-A 3.1 port, microSD XC card reader, and a charger for the Surface Slim Pen 2. This complements the existing two USB-C/Thunderbolt 4 ports and headphone jack. The trackpad has undergone a significant upgrade with customizable haptic feedback and click sensitivity, as well as the option to convert it into a 2-button trackpad for accessibility. A notable addition is the inclusion of an NPU chip, an AI coprocessor built by Intel, potentially setting the stage for future AI-driven features. Although specific applications for this NPU were not demonstrated, it suggests preparations for upcoming AI capabilities, potentially associated with the rumored Windows 12. The camera has also been upgraded to offer a wider field of view, enhancing video call experiences. The inclusion of RTX 4050-4060 options positions the laptop for more powerful PC gaming, though performance specifics will need to be assessed in reviews. Due to the enhanced CPU and GPU, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is slightly heavier and thicker than its predecessor. However, the increase may not be particularly noticeable, especially for those already accustomed to the laptop's weight. The weight varies depending on the GPU choice, with the Intel Iris graphics option weighing 4.2 pounds and the NVIDIA GPU options weighing 4.4 pounds. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 is set to be released on October 3rd, and pre-orders are currently available, starting at a base price of $1,999.